I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off your PS5 with a DualSense controller. Maybe you're not feeling well, or maybe you're in bed and you don't want to get up just to turn off your PlayStation 5. Don't worry, Sony makes it easy to turn off your PS5 using your DualSense controller. Using your controller to turn off your PlayStation 5 makes it easier to control whether your console fully shuts down or enters rest mode, where it can still charge controllers, download updates, and suspend games. Now let's walk through the steps to turn off your PS5 with a DualSense controller. Step 1. From whatever screen you're on, press the PlayStation button in the center of your DualSense controller. A menu pops up on the screen. Step 2. Highlight the power icon on the right side of this menu and then click X on your controller. A menu pops up. Step 3. Choose Enter Rest Mode in this menu if you don't want to shut your PlayStation 5 completely off and you still want it to charge controllers, download updates, and suspend games. Alternatively, choose Turn Off PS5 if you want to completely shut down all games and apps and fully power down your PS5. Your PS5 will be turned off immediately after making your selection. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.